Hello guys, welcome to this new video on Python. In this video, we are going to learn something about dictionary comprehension. So I had already made a video regarding list and list comprehension, and this is a video about dictionary and dictionary comprehension. So if you are not aware what dictionaries are, let's take a quick recap in how dictionaries look in Python. So dictionaries are nothing but inbuilt data structures in Python which are given by curly braces and which hold a key value pair. Let's say I create a dictionary of employees in a company and their salaries. So this is how a dictionary actually looks like. So if you see the dictionary, it looks like this. If you want to make sure it's a dictionary, just check the type of it in Python and you will get that, okay, it's a dictionary. So it shows that it is a dictionary. Now let's say that we are given two lists and we want to create a dictionary out of it. So we have two lists, that one would be for the employee names. So let's count a list as this thing, employees as a list of names. So I'll just put the names which are there above similarly, and I'll put the salary of these names in a separate dictionary. Now to create dictionaries out of this two list, where one dictionary I need to keep it as the key and the other as the value. So we have this keyword called a zip. So inside zip, we just need to pass the two lists that you want to create as the key and value. So here I want to create, here I want to pass the employees as well as the salary. So just pass it in the zip function and then typecast the whole thing into a dictionary. So to typecast the whole thing into a dictionary, you just have to write dict. So let's check the result now. How does it look? So we have a dictionary. The other part of the video that I wanted to show is how to manipulate with the help of dictionary comprehension. So dictionary comprehension is nothing but a shortcut that Python provides, just like list comprehension, to iterate over the entire values of a dictionary. So for that, the syntax looks something like this. So it is, again, see, a dictionary after applying dictionary comprehension will also give a dictionary, but we have some operations that we can perform in this. So let's look at this with the help of an example. Now let's say this company decides to give a 10% hike to each and every employee, which is there in this dictionary. So how do we do that? We can use a single line dictionary comprehension to do so. So what we can do is that new dictionary, let's give it a variable new dictionary equal to, and let's check this syntax that we just wrote here. So it is, we open a dictionary, we put the new key that is also again going to be an employee. So let's give the name of that field as an employee. Now after that we give the salary. Let's make it salary here so that it is easier for you to understand how the iteration things work. So this is for a single employee, the salary, and we have got that, okay, there is a 15% increase in the past salary. So that means that the employee will now get 115% of the total salary. So this is just simple maths, nothing rocket science here. For every old employee, there is no change in the employee key, comma, the old salary in the old dictionary. So the old dictionary name here is result. And since we have to iterate it, so just call the items method here. So what items method will do is that it will create iterations of this dictionary. So if you want to see it separately, so this is how the dictionary looks like right now, correct? So if we just put here dot items and just call it, so you see it is now created in the form of a list here which has key values separated. So this makes dictionary comprehension understand that okay, the developer wants to put a dictionary comprehension for every employee and its salary, and he wants to do some manipulation with the employee and salary. So here we are not doing any manipulation with the employee, but we are doing the manipulation with the salary. That is, we are giving 15% hike to every employee. So let's see how it looks like. So you see here, every employee now has 15% salary hike. So if you wish to do something even with the key, you can do it here. Let's say I want to make the employee name as uppercase. So what I can do, it's in the form of string, right? So we can call the upper method here on every employee. So you see that the key value from the lowercase has now changed to upper. So this is how dictionary comprehensions work. Now, besides this, there is also a condition giving opportunity. Now, you can also give conditions in this dictionary comprehension, single line dictionary comprehension. Is that how to do that? Let's say I just want to check out for employees which are starting from whose name are starting from P. So for that, I can give a if statement at the end of the dictionary for every employee employee key, and then I can give starts with, and then I can just pass a string of P. So let's check if we are only getting the filtered output. Yeah, we are getting the filtered output here. That is, we get all the employees who have who has the key value starting from P. So if you want to put multiple conditions here, you can just put it after the if. So let's say if I also want to see whether only of those employee who starts from P, but their salaries they are greater than 50,000. So I can just put another condition here, that is salary is greater than 50,000. So let's see. Okay. So it shows that out of the whole dictionary object that we had, only Parth had this salary whose key was starting from P and whose salary was greater than 50,000. So this is how dictionary comprehension actually works. You can apply multiple functions on the iterable here where you have declared the new key and the new value. Thank you guys. See you next time.